Yeah, I got my Home Designer Pro 2023 trial version open. Newels and balusters. This controls newels and balusters, not rails. And the drop down, you can select square, round, or library. Remember, this is Home Designer Pro, just like what you have. It's just a trial version. Now, if you want to change the rails, then you have to go over here to the top rail and uncheck that. Oh, Home Designer Pro may not have that. It looks like they're by default they're square. That shouldn't be a problem. You wanted square, they're by default square. Let me look at your picture again. Oh, yeah, the baluster. You want to change this kind of okay. I'm sorry, I missed that before. Okay, that might be a problem. So you go to newel posts, library, and we'll just see what's available. Okay, fences and railings. Cable. Okay, that's what you're looking for. There's your cable. I didn't. Oh, that looks like crap. I need to go back to rail style and select panels. Yeah. Then go back panels and we'll undo that. Then we'll go to panels. See that those cable things are panels, and yeah, they're not like balusters. Sorry about that. So there's that. Or you can go to there's one with a one of these in there every so often, like that. So that's how you want to do what you want to do, and Pro will do it. And I just shown you how. Have a great day.